this guide, I'm going to show you how you can connect your Nintendo Switch 2 to a TV. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it, and if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. But before we even start, make sure that you have the Nintendo Switch 2, the official dock, an HDMI cable, and a TV or monitor, as well as the power adapter for the dock. Begin by just taking the back cover off the dock, and inside you're going to see two main parts: the USB-C power port. This is going to connect to the wall using the official power adapter, and you'll also see an HDMI port. Plug the USB-C power into the dock, connect it to a wall, and then plug either end of the HDMI cables into the dock and then the other end to your TV. From here, just grab your Nintendo Switch 2 and make sure the screen is facing the front of the dock. The flat side with the logo should be facing forward, and just place that Switch 2 into the dock. Whenever it's seated properly, the screen will immediately go black and you'll get a little dock indicator light turn on. This essentially means that the device is in docked mode. From here, just navigate to the correct HDMI input and you'll be good to go. If you want to adjust your video settings, just go to System Settings and go down to Display, and you can adjust the resolution from there. But if nothing is showing up still, double check the HDMI input, make sure that the dock is plugged into power, and of course try a different HDMI cable. Sometimes the cable is the issue, and it really is as simple as that. If you guys did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide though, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out and lets us know that you want more content. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.